You need some help installing BlueDevil products? I got you covered. Let's go. Gang, welcome back to the BlueDevil Products Garage. Now, BlueDevil Hydraulic Stop Leak quickly revitalizes hard, shrunken, or leaking hydraulic seals to their original condition as it circulates throughout your system. First thing you want to do is confirm your system's capacity. Why? Well, because 1 ounce of BlueDevil will treat 1 quart of hydraulic oil. So with the equipment off, you want to pour the proper amount of BlueDevil into the hydraulic reservoir. Now, the leak is actually going to start the seal during use. Usually takes a couple hours. BlueDevil Hydraulic Stop Leak not only revitalizes but also reconditions the seals and contains no petroleum distillates that can harm your system. Drive your life, live leak-free, and we'll see you next time. If you have more specific questions regarding this installation or any installation, contact the BlueDevil Products Tech Team at 1-888-863-0426 or online at gobdp.com.